This is Mary Music. We are learning how to count beat in each measure exactly so that we can arrange left-hand chord and apply on the melody. We are using Hello from Beyonce. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Let's listen the music first. Next, play with the left hand. The left hand note is written with red. C, D, G, A on the first line. These are left hand. Put the left hand note with the right hand melody. Let's play this music with the chord. C becomes CEG. D becomes DFA. G becomes GBD. A will be ACE. For playing 4 notes in one measure, let's think this music is 4 beat. So play the melody thinking about 4 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then break the left hand chord into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, and each left hand note comes on each beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, exact beat and understand the left hand chord and break it and apply on the melody and play on exact beat. Enjoy the music. Thank you.